I don't know, man. I was playing on Amazon the other day, and well, last week actually, and I found something that was I've been wanting for a long time to possibly put on a car of mine, and so I ordered it. So I got it in the mail. A Moon Eyes foot gas pedal, and I was reluctant to put it on the Corvette. I was going to put it on my truck. I thought it would be bigger than it is. Anyway, I showed my sisters what this is, and one of my sisters came back and said, "Hey, that looks like a monkey's foot." Got me thinking. It's small enough. I think I'm going to try and put it on and see what it looks like. So you can like it or not, but it's going on Grape Ape, the Corvette. So I went out and took out my gas pedal already, and I already got a video up showing you how to do this. So I'm going to take it back off and see what it would take to mount this foot on there. I don't think it's going to take a whole lot. So I'll be back when I get it done. Alright, so I got my gas pedal out already. Just need to disassemble this real quick. So we got that off now. I just need to go out in the garage, figure out where my holes need to go, and drill some mounting holes. I think it's going to look pretty cool, to be honest with you. But we shall find out. Let's go to the garage. Let's figure out where we're going to go with this. I think we're going to mark it right on that line. Go with that. There's already a hole there. Cool. I think we can deal with that. I think we can deal with that. We're getting pretty close on this. Just got one more hole to drill on the top. Just have to drill a bigger hole. Shoes all dirty, and I just washed them. That's gonna work good. There we go. What do you think? Now we just gotta trim off this aluminum and call that a day. Cut all that stuff off and it'll look just like a foot. Take this little sucker and go outside. I don't know what I do with my Kevlar gloves though. Got my Kevlar gloves so I can hold on to it. Luckily. Yeah, we get my cut off wheel for the rest of it. should have earplugs for that, huh? That'll do it. Now I'll get out my Dremel tool. Smooth it out a little bit. I'm working with good clothes on. You'd think I'd learn from that by now. If this all goes as planned, then Mike, you'll be the first one to see this before anybody else does. So I'm thinking about painting it too, but I don't know, maybe paint black so it doesn't quite show, but that's still up for debate. So now you guys just watch me destroy a perfectly good aluminum gas pedal. Alright, so I ruined my perfectly good brand new aluminum gas pedal by trying to put this thing on. So I got it all painted black so nobody can actually see it. Got a little bit of Loctite on the screws so they won't come out. And there we go. What do you think? Bring him back to 70s, 60s and 70s. We'll see how it looks in there though, huh? Got me monkey foot. Thanks sis for the idea. It's gonna look cool. I'm gonna go put this in now, so I'll be back when that's done. I'm not gonna show you that process because we already know how to do that. So I'll be back when I'm done and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, there it is. What do you think? Little monkey foot. I still need to clean that brake pad off, but let me know what you think. I know it's kind of iffy, but Grape Ape needed a monkey foot, I guess. I really appreciate the idea, sis, so I think it was a good idea. I think it's going to cause a few question marks. I think it looked good though.